travel. It's not just about moving from one place to another. It's about discovery. It's about unlocking parts of the world and yourself you never knew existed. But how do we travel smarter? How do we navigate this vast, unpredictable world without breaking the bank, losing precious time, or missing those transformative moments that make the journey worthwhile? Meet Sarah. She's been to over 50 countries, tasted 500 local dishes, and made countless memories, all while spending less than many of us do on a single 2-week vacation. How does she do it? Well, that's what we're here to uncover. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of traveling smarter, inspired by the world's top travel blogs. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll see travel in a whole new way. Before we dive in, let's make this personal. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to travel? Is it budgeting, packing, navigating unfamiliar cultures? Let us know in the comments, because today's tips will tackle them all and maybe even change the way you think about your next trip. Travel smarter. Tip 1. Let go of perfection. The world's best travel bloggers agree. The magic of travel lies in the unexpected. Sometimes the wrong turn leads to the right adventure. Like the time travel blogger Mark found a hidden hot spring in Iceland because he missed his tour bus. Or when Alex accidentally joined a local festival in Thailand and ended up dancing the night away with strangers who became lifelong friends. What's the best thing that ever happened to you by accident while traveling? Share your stories. We'd love to hear them. Here's a myth we need to bust. Travel is only for the wealthy. Blogs like Nomadic Matt and The Budget Backpacker prove that travel isn't about how much you spend, but how creatively you spend it. Footage of a traveler booking flights during off-peak seasons, using public transportation, and eating at local food stalls. Book flights during shoulder seasons, use fare tracking apps, and never underestimate the joy of a $2 street meal. Because often, the simplest experiences are the most memorable. Think about it. The smell of spices at a local market, the laughter of kids playing in a village square. These moments don't have a price tag, but they're worth everything. Next up, packing. The golden rule? Pack less, experience more. Travel bloggers like Her Packing List swear by minimalist packing. Why? Because lugging heavy bags through cobblestone streets or crowded trains is the fastest way to ruin a trip. Remember, every item you pack should earn its place. If it doesn't serve multiple purposes, it's probably not worth bringing. Travel smarter. Tip 3. Immerse yourself in the local culture. Bloggers like Legal Nomads emphasize the importance of stepping outside your comfort zone. Learn a few key phrases in the local language. Try that dish you can't pronounce. Say yes to experiences you'd normally shy away from. Travel smarter. Tip 4. Plan, but don't overplan. Have a loose itinerary to guide you, but leave space for serendipity. Because some of the best moments in travel can't be scheduled. And let's not forget, travel smarter also means travel safer. The world's top bloggers recommend researching destinations thoroughly, using travel insurance, and staying aware of your surroundings. After all, smart travel is safe travel. At its core, travel isn't about the miles you cover, but the growth you experience. It's about the stories you collect, the fears you overcome, the beauty you witness. Every smart travel decision you make, from packing light to embracing the unknown, is a step toward a richer, more meaningful journey. Now it's your turn. Which of these tips will you use on your next adventure? Or maybe you have a travel hack of your own to share. Drop it in the comments. Let's build a community of smarter, braver, and more connected travelers. Because the world is too incredible to explore alone. Until next time, keep wondering, and keep traveling smarter.